artists, I'm going to show you how to take your sculpture and put it in a background so it looks like it's a real monument in a real public park or other setting. So we are going to be using the website PIXLR for this, and I'll show you a little bit more. But before you begin, you actually need to have a good photograph of your monument. So I might work with this one. Notice the point of view. So I'm a little bit above this one. This one's more straight at it from closer to eye level, so it might be more appropriate. And then you also need an image of a place you want to put it. So I thought of, for my monument, where would be an excellent place to honor Ruth Bader Ginsburg. And I thought perhaps in front of the White House would be a really good spot. So I did a Google image search. I typed in the White House lawn, and I found this image I probably want to work. So to begin with, you want to download the best possible version of this image. So I'm going to choose Save Image As, and I'm going to go ahead and put it in my downloads. Notice what it's called. It's called White House Lawn, and click Save. Then from my PIXLR here, when you scroll down, you have different options. We are going to go to PIXLR X, which is the simplified version of the website. And on the left side here, we have a bunch of options. We want to open up an image. So once you click that, it's going to ask you where to open it from. Notice or remember, in what we just did, we downloaded something called White House Lawn to the downloads file. So I'm going to go find that image and choose Open. So now I have the lawn open, have the White House. I want to put my monument on the lawn of the White House. So now I'm going to go over to my photograph, and I'm just going to right-click on it and copy the image. Now I could download it, but I'd get a really, really big version, and that's not really necessary. So back over in my image of the White House lawn, I'm going to paste it in. So my easy keyboard shortcut is Control and V. At the same time, we'll paste the image. Now here it is, but that doesn't look very realistic. What you're going to use in PIXLR, make sure that the blue rectangle is around your image here, is the cutout tool. And PIXLR has this awesome thing called an AI cutout. What it's going to do is use machine learning to figure out where the important information is and keep it, and where the unimportant stuff is and get rid of it. Notice you do have to watch one ad in order to get your free cutout, but once that's over, just choose Continue. And wow, there it is. So I'm done. I'm happy with this. I have no edits to make. This is amazing. I can close that menu. And now I can simply take my arrow tool here to arrange. And I might want to move it. I think it'd look better here. In fact, I think it should be a bigger monument right there in the middle. I think that looks great right in front of the White House. And I'm done. Now, in order to have this be seen by anybody else, I need to click Save. I should name it something that I will remember. So Monument to RBG. I'm going to leave it as a JPEG, which is the default. If you want to be able to go back and edit it, click PXD. And everything else I can leave exactly the same and download. It's going to download a file, as you saw down here. Named what I called it, and it will go into my downloads folder by default. So that is where you would want to find it in order to upload that image to Google Classroom.